Hi everyone, this is Yu. This is a video showing you how to access and use our online collaborative platform. This is a URL for our website, collaborative.assessment.herokuapp.com. You should have the link. It's either under this video or we send you in the email. Let's copy this link and go to our website. So because this is an online collaborative website, so I will use two browser to show you to showing there are two students, to assume there are two students. So on the left, this is one student screen, and on the right, this is the other student screen. If this is your first time using our system, accessing our website, you can on this login page, you can create an account as you wish. So for example, I never used August 1 before. And I click create account. If you already create account, you can click sign in. So you can see this is not account already created. So once I create it, I will see the question sets. Same thing for the other students. So right now we only have one demo section left because we have done an experiment for some physics undergrad in University of Central Florida. So this is one you can see, but we have a lot of other sections on the back end. So if you are interested, we can give you those demo questions. And one student go to the same question set, they will see some guidance, some welcome information, and then if two students click find collaborator at the same time, then they will get connected. And they will say, who's your collaborator? Hi. Hi, my collaborator. So this is just some survey questions for us to know whether you like collaboration or not, and some guidance for students how to use it. So let's go to see some questions. So the first type of question is what we call jigsaw. Jigsaw is like its name, it distributes needed information between two students, so either one of the students cannot solve the problem. For this guiding question, it simply gives each student a number. On the left, one student gets 4 as its assigned number, and 7 is assigned on the right. So it asks students what's the sum, and the answer would be 11. We will also give them some feedback if they didn't answer correctly. So that's just for guiding. Let's just telling students how the system works and what are the kinds of questions we have. So for this one, this is also jigsaw, but in another form. We want two students to enter each of them enter a number, and the sum of the number should be 27. So they can enter 13 and 14. So for this kind of question, if one student quick check answer, it will wait for the other student to check, and the other student will see your collaborator request to check a question. And if they answer correctly, we will have the result. And also, we give some feedback for incorrect answers. And let's go to the next question. This guiding question is called request information question type. So in this kind of question, instead of giving students all the information they needed to solve the question, we give students item pool, so they can each request some information in this item pool. So the main difference between this one and the previous two is one, in Jigsaw questions, students do not usually have the same information, and it's you as an instructor to choose whether you tell students they hold different information or not. In a typical request info or requesting type of question, students usually see the same information and they will request information in the same pool. So this question asks them to calculate the area of a triangle. So they can use AB or BC or use AC and AB. Any some combinations can solve this question as long as they don't choose a parallel side. So even they choose a parallel side, we also give them a chance after they submit. So once they choose the same the parallel side, they cannot solve it. So it's incorrect. Once they answer, they get a chance to reset information. So let's select BC this time, and then we get the answer 12. Great. So for the last question here, is we help the instructor created a physics problem that fit in his class for student to do. You can see it's requesting the information, but we can rewrite it in any form as you wish. So yeah, that's basically how our platform works and how student can access. You can see it's pretty easy to just give students the URL, and it won't take too many times. Roughly less than 20 minutes, student can finish the guiding problem and the problem, the material that fit in your class. So if you are interested, please contact us as soon as possible. And thank you for watching the video.